Coconut, coconuts, coconuts. I've got coconut flavor on the brain. We're going to create coconut ass crazy today. I'm talking about a coconut lovers pound cake. That's right. I'm Chef Winston and welcome to Floridian Cuisine. Let's take some coconut and make a pound cake. If you love coconut, and I mean real coconut, this pound cake is for you. We're using grated fresh coconut, coconut yogurt, and even coconut oil. But here's the twist. I'm blending it with good old butter, so we can still get that flavorful cream-based and fluffy pound cake texture. This is not your dry store-bought loaf. This is tropical, rich, tender, all the way through. I even dusted the pan with coconut before pouring in the batter. Little things like that, that's what makes it special. So let's get baking. Aha! First step is the creaming process. Preheat your oven at 325, and then we're gonna do our dry ingredients. Every good pound cake has dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. There's a process to this. So we have to follow in order, okay? So what I got here, I got some flour, and I'm gonna add to my flour, I got some salt and baking powder. I got a sifter here. Mix this up, and I'm gonna pour this into my sifter. This is gonna be such a flavorful coconut lovers pound cake. If you love coconut, you're in the right spot. So what I'm doing here, I'm gonna sieve this just like that. Perfect. Sifting it, make it a nice, aids it in being a little more airier as well. Blending all the ingredients and making it airier. Beautiful, look at that. So now the next step, after we got our dry ingredients taken care of, now we're gonna work on our wet ingredients. First step is our creaming process. We've got some room temperature butter here, and we're gonna add some sugar to this. Sugar. Perfect. You could do this by hand, but I've got a stand mixer, so make life a little easier. Lock it in and make it work. So what's happening right here is this. We're trying to emulsify the butter and the sugar together. Process is called creaming. Creaming means we are blending the both, like I said, emulsifying it, and we're trying to create air into it. This step is very important. What gives us that nice, moist, pocket, crumbly texture in cakes. Beautiful. So the creaming method is looking really good. So the other part of the fat, that butter was not enough. We're gonna introduce flavor and more fat, which is the coconut oil. We'll turn this off. I'm gonna turn this off. So we just want to fold this in. So following that, I'm gonna start adding one egg at a time. Emulsifying this. This is the cake batter coming together. One egg at a time. Yeah. I'm not working it, I'm not rushing this. Nice and smooth, looking good so far. The last one. Okay. Now we're gonna flavor this up. I've got some coconut extract for extra flavor and some vanilla extract. Fold that in there. Beautiful. So we're gonna stop this and fold in the other flavorings. We've got the coconut, fresh grated coconut. What I ended up doing with this, I ended up taking the coconut, busting it down, extracting the water, taking the shell off, and grated it fresh for this. So we're gonna put this inside here. Wow, fresh coconut, there's nothing like it. Fresh coconut, coconut lovers pound cake. We're gonna fold this. And behind that, more flavor, for moisture and for more fat. coconut yogurt. That's right. I'm bringing it to you guys this time around. This is gonna be amazing. I could put this all in there, but I wanna fold this stuff inside here. Oh yes, look at this, perfect. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna introduce the dry to the wet. I'm gonna fold this. All I'm doing is folding it to mix it completely. Beautiful. And I'm doing it in 2 stages. Stage 1, now stage 2. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna mix this here together, fold it. Next up, we're gonna grease our pans. The burnt pan. Looking beautiful, looking good, loving this. So this is all nicely mixed. So we're gonna grease our pan. What I got here is some more flavor, coconut oil. I'm gonna drizzle this from the top. Let it cascade down to the bottom, just like that. And I'm gonna swirl this around because I want to, rather than adding flour, I'm gonna add this dried coconut, this fresh coconut that I have here as well. You can see that? Perfect. So the reason I'm using this here, I will usually use flour to dust the pan, but I'm thinking, I've got all this coconut here for this coconut lovers pound cake. Why not use it? Dry out some, and why not use it for flavor and for presentation, right? So now that this is nicely smeared around, I'm gonna touch this here with this coconut. Dusting the coconut. This is what it looks like. And from there, what we're gonna do is add this beautiful, fragrant, luscious cake batter in the pan. Ooh, yes, this is gonna be something nice. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and most of all, subscribe. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video, which is every single week. If there's something you'd like for me to do, please make a comment. I would love to engage with you guys and shout you out for an episode based on the recommendation that you made. Look at this here, beautiful. Get all this niceness up in here. So, I'm gonna rest this in the oven, 325 oven. This should take about, maybe up to 50 minutes, but we'll check it. This is looking really good. Woo! All this type of fun stuff we're gonna be doing in the community. Peruvian fusion foodies. If you don't know about that, check out the description. Coming soon. It's gonna be something nice and special. I'm talking about super, super nice. All about connection. All right, let's get this in the oven. Oh yes, this is nice. Filled. Look even. It's gonna leave room for rising into this warm into the preheated oven. Sorry. We're gonna let that cook for about 45, 50 minutes. I'm gonna check it in 35 minutes. See what it's looking like. This one right here is gonna be a winner. Stay tuned. Okay, so while the cake is baking, we're gonna make this luxurious finishing touch to this, which is a coconut rum glaze. So what I got here is some powdered sugar. I got some rum, and I got coconut milk. I'm talking about, this is coconut overload. If you love coconut, this is all for you. Mix all of this here together. And what this is doing, this is creating a glaze. So we're gonna drizzle over the cooled pound cake once it's done. Now it's time to check it out. It's been about 35 minutes. I set my watch for that. Let's see what it's looking like. I got me a probe thermometer here to see what this would look like. Oh, okay, I think it's done. Came out clean. That came out clean, so take this bad boy out, turn off the oven. We're gonna rest this on a rack to start cooling. We'll be right back. This is looking, smelling good. All right, I'll be right back. This has cooled down. I'll give it about 15 minutes to cool down. I can manage this. So it's time to unveil this masterpiece. Let's see what we're working with here. Put a plate over it, turn it over. Woo, we ready. Let's start doing this here. Coming apart. Ooh, yes, look at that. Beautiful, nice and moist. This masterpiece looking nice. Okay, so beautiful glaze. Harry, remember this? Nice and pourable. So what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna go zigzagging style with this. Oh man, beautiful. Cannot wait to dive into this. Coconut, more coconut. Finish this up here. What I did, I took some of the coconut and I grated it. Sorry, I grated it actually. We shredded in the shredded section, but I left it in the oven a little too long. But that's fine. You understand what I'm trying to go for. So this is what the finishing touches look like. Beautiful. We got coconut lovers pound cake here. What you guys thinking? What you thinking? Time to taste this masterpiece. Woo, yeah. Oh my goodness. Lovely. So I got me a nice little piece of slice right here. Oh, coconut. Fragrance and coconut. Time to taste this. So, the fork is melting through it. It's very moist. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh yes. Guys, if you love coconut, this right here is where you want to be. This here got flavor upon flavor. Let me tell you what's happening. So, coconut lovers pound cake. Let's do a quick recap. What I did, I took the dry ingredients, flour, salt, and baking powder, sifted that, set that on the side. Then I took some butter and sugar, creamed that up, and then I added coconut oil to combine with that creaming method. Added my eggs, created that beautiful cake batter that we know and love. And then I add the flavoring, some vanilla essence, some coconut essence. And then I folded in coconut yogurt, and the fresh grated coconut was added to this as well. This here is a flavor overload. I'm talking about a cup of oil with this here, some coffee. You guys will like this here. This is really good. You gotta give this a shot. All the ingredients, all of the recipe, digital form. Actually, The recipe will be available in a digital form, but all of my recipes, my recipe for everything recipe-wise that I have is inside the community, accessible to my members. You need to be a member on that. Floridian Fusion Foodies. It's a new community that I'm building for connection. We're gonna be doing date night live over there. You remember when I used to do date night live during the pandemic? You used to come on through, glass of wine in hand, we had a good old time, asking you, what you drinking? All that is coming back. Recipes and much more. And ask me anything in this community. Check the description for more info. But this right here is definitely a winner. So guys, don't forget, subscribe. If you like everything that I'm doing here every single week, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share, make a comment. If there's something that you would like for me to make, please mention it. I would love to make it and shout you guys out at the same time. Until next time, cheers.